opinions for the particular websites. So this website's been around for a little while now. Um, and they have different platforms where you can test that they're part of, like IntelliZoom, UserTest.io, and they have different platforms where you can test different websites and you can make money from it. So this is a website that you really want to keep in your laboratory, website where basically you can make money from. Then we have another one called McCormick, and you could join the panelists. You complete so basically when you sign up, you can complete online applications with your personal information, household detail, and study preferences. You're going to receive survey invitations via email about new studies. You're going to fill out the questionnaires to see if you qualify, and then you're going to complete study requirements and get paid. And then go ahead and click here where it says click here to become a panelist. And it does not collect information from minors, so you have to be 18 and older. Sorry about that. But go ahead and sign up for this. And then once you click to apply now, it's going to have your data stored into a database. And then based on your data, it's going to select you for different, projects that they have available from McCormick. So you're going to be testing out different, um, you know, it could be any recipes, anything under McCormick. They're going to have you test it out. And then now we have another one, our third website here, where it's called BetaTesting, and you can join the unit. So test exciting new products and get paid for your feedback. So go ahead and put your email here, and then it's going to say sign up, and then it's going to take you through all of this information where you can sign up, putting your name, address, and all that. So it's quite lengthy, and please be honest with these people so they can match you with the right, testing, right groups, or if they have different focus groups or things to that nature. But it's mainly just testing different products and things to that nature and giving your feedback on it. So if this is something that you really like and you really enjoy, go ahead and do that. But I'm going to keep this video short and brief, but I will ask. So what is an Amazon affiliate? Amazon influencer program. You are a content creator who provides recommendations to inspire your audience via social media to buy Amazon products. And if they go and buy those products, then you can be able to make a commission from the products, depending on how many people buy those said products and your videos that you're advertising. So if you are a media company or a brand and want to drive traffic to Amazon, you should apply to this Amazon Associates program instead. How can I monetize my content? There are multiple ways to earn. You can monetize your social media content by sharing your storefront URL or through affiliate links. You may also surface the content you have posted to your storefront to Amazon shoppers, allowing you to grow your followers and earn from customers. How do I qualify for this program? We accept applications from all types of influencers, provided you have a YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok account. If you are applying using an Instagram or Facebook account, you are required to use a business account. When reviewing your application, we look at the number of followers you have in addition to your engagement metrics. So how much will I earn? Well, you can start earning commissions when your followers make qualifying purchases via your affiliate links. So the affiliate links that you post from your Amazon affiliate program is how you're going to get paid. If they click directly on those affiliate links, then you can make a commission from that. If you don't have that, you're not going to make any money because Amazon has to know that people are buying it directly from under your affiliate program and nobody else. So the amount you can earn is based on products sold. Commission rates can be found here, and you can just visit the website. So our next website here is Collab. A lot of people don't talk about that you can start to invest in student housing to earn monthly income. So if you're to scroll here on Collab, you can look at it. You can buy for $5 a share, $5. But the reason why you are investing your money into it is because you want to make sure that it's profitable at the end. Because you want a greater return than $5, obviously. So if you invest in each individual ones, say if you invest in 3 different student housing. That's $15. And then that $15 can keep growing depending on how well the housing market does with that particular student housing. So you have to make sure that you're investing right. So I know a lot of people don't like to just invest their own money, but you have to understand that you get dividends on if if that particular house does well or not. So you can't sit up here and say that, oh, there's no way I'm not going to invest my money. Well, you got to try something and do something different in life. If you always say, I'm never going to make any money, then you're never going to make any money because you're not trying to effortlessly do these things. So don't come on my page and say this didn't work. It didn't work because maybe you didn't try hard enough or you didn't stick to it. You have to understand side hustles are side hustles. They can't make you a lot of money, but if you consistently work on them after your 9 to 5 job consistently, then you will start to see small little growths in it. Every little small step you take in life is going to amount to something. Trust me. Everything we do in our life hopefully has a purpose and can give us greater dividends or greater returns than what we invested in. So remember that. Just because you invest in $5, you don't know if that can grow into $5 million. You get what I'm saying? So you have to just try and see and do some of these things. But if you want to know a little bit more about this, some people are saying I choose to invest with Collab because it's a brilliant model. College students need a place to stay, and they consistently present a high occupancy investment with tremendous future usage potential. So it's always going to be a college student that is going to need somewhere to stay, and if you invest in that, you never know. I mean, 5 years down the line, you don't know where your money can grow. The portfolio is growing and the model is working. These are real people that's saying that. So you can invest and look into it on this website. I'll put the link in the description. But our next one is Katori. So um, basically here, your next side hustle. So Katori, let's just go to this here. So basically, you get to travel the world and you can tell about different countries that you be in. So if you travel the world, you'll be able to see different sites, which is a beautiful thing, but also you will get paid to do that. So if you can go onto their website, you can just learn a little bit more about that. And then this brings us to our fourth website here, which is Bunchies. So you can get paid to become a scout. So basically, how this works is you need to join the Scout Rewards program and get paid for inviting fans and building your branch. So eligibility to qualify for the Scout and earn rewards, you must bring 3,000 plus sports fans together. So have or manage at least 3,000 sports community through a social media or similar profile platform. Follow us on Instagram and then complete our Scout eligibility request. We'll send you more details in a follow-up email. So there's earnings with no limit to it. Your initial reward, once you bounce has 10 people, including yourself, you'll receive your first payment. Continue earning. Keep earning as new people join your bunch. Collaborate with other scouts as you grow your community. Weekly pay. As your community grows, you'll get paid every week you bring on 10 or more new users. So this is just the website. You can even download it there via the app. And then our last site is Nuvia. So you get paid to shape the future. So you do different tasks, basically like Romo tasks, and you complete it and you get paid based on per task. And it's like an AI. It's similar to like the Outlier or Romo tasks if you've ever seen those particular tasks. And then basically here is a global community working to improve artificial intelligence behind a whole range of technologies. Join and you can create anything from smarter virtual assistants to more realistic video games. Test. So basically, you have different studies that they want you to participate in based on your profile. So it's very crucial that you're filling out your profile and all of that good stuff to be selected for that. Then they have different study dates where you can participate in different things. Like this one is needed for passive payment testing, and you can just look and see all of the descriptions for what it is here. They tell you exactly what needs to be happening. We are looking for participants with a user union pay card having a specific BIN for patho testing project that will run for 3 months. So it doesn't tell you how much it pays, but typically, these projects pay anywhere from 150 to $300. It just all depends on the particular project study. And you have, you'll have like your user ID and all that good stuff here. And they have different tests, cycles that you might become part of. That it'll be here, and it'll tell you about everything you need to do here. Um, and they have this academy where you can go through and kind of get familiar with the actual U test. So, like if you're brand new, spanking new to the actual platform, you can take these different courses to kind of know how to navigate with this. But in terms of the projects, they have a whole variety of different projects that you can actually be able to sign up for, and if you qualify for it, you will be able to, do this. Now, I actually haven't gotten paid from these people, so here's the payment proof. $121. So that was just for one little project that I did with them. So if you are thinking it's not a legitimate platform, it is. They do pay out. You just got to make sure you follow in all the details, and whatever they want you to do it exactly how they want you to do it. Because if you don't do it exactly how they want you to do it, then you won't get paid, and then you'll say that it's a scam. It's not a scam. I have gotten paid. I'll show you payment proof. And these are just all the different. You can browse all different projects if you want to, because they have a variety of different projects, that you can participate in. So it just kind of all depends on your profile and how you set it up. It's really important that you pay attention to setting up your profile right, so you can be accepted into different research study projects. And then they have different time to time they'll send you actual email invites to say, hey, this is a project we think you might be a good fit based on your profile, and this is the kind of ones that I've got selected into. So it's important that you go through, set up your profile, fill out all of the UTest Academy information, browse through different projects that you want to do. You're not going to get selected from all of them. That's okay. Just know that it can take some time. It's not a, they like to go through all of the different candidates to see if, you are good criteria for that. But I'm not going to hold you guys any longer. I just want you to kind of know about this website, what it does, how to get paid between $150 to $300, and that's just one project. Sometimes the project spans according to a few months, a few days. They might want you to do a week. It just all depends on it. So if you got a full-time job, this is just like another supplementary. Yeah, so earn money giving back. This was the website, the original website. I don't know why it didn't give me that. So you can go ahead and click to apply now. You can participate in quick surveys, tests, or interviews, give your feedback on designs and prototypes, stuff like that. Go ahead and click to apply now. And then you ask your full name, your last name, your country, email, all of the good stuff that you normally would sign up with anyway. Just go ahead and do that. Email, password, and then click I'm not a robot, and then apply. So you get paid probably between $20 to $30, something like that. But that's all I have for you guys. But I made over $300 with them. This is $150 for this one, and then $150 from another one that I participated back in 2023. And I have that on my channel. But I recently just got paid back in late October for just giving them video permission to use my video that they recorded back in 2023. I had no idea that they was going to ask that, but sometimes market researchers really love the conversation of what you be saying in your opinion, and they want to publish it to a subsidiary or something like that, or to another market research company that might, do that. But they can't do that without your permission and having you sign an NDA. And so I signed it, and I got $150 just for that. So I stay making my money. No, market research companies will not make you rich, but they put a little extra money in your pocket. And in this tough economy, who doesn't love, having extra money? I know I do. But that is it. Let me know if you like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye, money makers, and make sure that you are following and liking and trying to apply to as many market research companies as you can. But other than that, take care, money makers. Bye bye. We can definitely get to 300 subscribers before the end of this week. That will be great. If not, we can always go for next week. No problem. But I want to inform you about a new opportunity that I came across that was really good. It's called the Online Insight Study, and it's by Google. So basically, if you install an extension on your Google Chrome or any web browser, it'll monitor all the websites that been to, and all of those points add up at the end of the week. You're probably going to get like 100 points per week. And basically, it's a study that Google wants to understand about how we monitor, what websites we go on, how we use our phone. So you can have the app on your phone and it'll monitor. You can have the app install it on the extension of your web browser. Usually on the right hand side in the upper right corner, you can go to it and install it, and it'll monitor all the websites you go to. And then at the end of the week, you'll probably get $100 or so, just for letting them collect that information from it. But ideally, you're going to get about 100 plus $30 per year if you continue to do it throughout the year. Some people have been experiencing where you can't always get information participating in their IRS research. And what the IRS research was about is wanting to kind of know how I file my taxes, what works for me in TurboTax, what doesn't work for me. Just basic questions. It was an hour, and I got paid $100. So this was the proof of the email from them that I've actually got paid, and I could just redeem my $100, which I already did. I'm not going to do that again. But I just wanted to show you guys that you can get paid from these market research companies. I do them all the time, and they are not a scam. They will pay you. But it just all depends on how hard you work. Like I say, you're not going to you're not going to be able to participate in every focus group. So I just want to remind you of that, because a lot of people have a misconception. Like if I apply to 15 different companies, I'm going to get selected for one of them. You may get selected, and you may not get selected for them. And I talk about this all the time on my channel. It's not abnormal for you to not get selected for many of them. I mean, you can apply to all of them at once and see, but there's a chance that you could get selected. You have to keep applying every month, every day, every week, every year. Don't stop until you get one. That's how I'm able to get into these ones. I'm always honest and I'm transparent with them. So if you lie and you try to cheat your way to the top, you're not gonna get selected, and they might actually throw you out of the focus group if your information don't match with what you said on the pre-screener. And you definitely want to match your information when you take the phone call from the recruiter that's going to recruit you for the project. If it doesn't match what they're saying, then you're not going to get selected. But just wanted to kind of show you guys that it is, like I said, it is legitimate. I do these every week, so it's important that keep following up, keep doing this, and you can be able to win $100. You could be able to get $100, but I'm not gonna hold you guys too much longer. I just want to wish you guys happy holidays. Christmas is coming up in 2 weeks, so stay tuned for that. There might be another cash giveaway at the end of the month if I'm lucky. If you're lucky, it just all depends on how I'm feeling. But other than that, take care, money makers. Bye.